Today we're going to walk you through how to get your XRP address on Binance. It's a straightforward process, but you'll need a Binance account to start. If you haven't signed up for Binance yet, make sure to use our link found in the video description. By doing so, you'll be eligible to receive trading fee rebates worth up to $100 USD. Once you've registered and verified your account, getting your address is a breeze for those with a verified account. All you have to do is click on the deposit icon located at the top left. After clicking the deposit icon, just search for the cryptocurrency you need, which for us is XRP. Once you've chosen XRP, click on Ripple and you'll see all the available networks. Since each Ripple network differs, be careful to select the correct network to avoid losing your tokens. If you're aiming to send using a specific network, such as the BNB Beacon Chain, BEP20, note that it has a unique address, just as the Ripple network has its distinct address and XRP tag. When you select the BEP20, you'll observe it also has its own address. To obtain your XRP address, you simply need to click on the Ripple network. This action allows you to directly access the Ripple network, from which you can copy the wallet address and the XRP tag. By following these steps, you can easily deposit into your wallet. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions.